So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about how um how to get your hairline back, the causes of you losing your hairline, and how to prevent it. So I would advise you guys to watch this video to the end. Okay, so before I continue, we talk about style, fitness, fashion, and all lifestyle videos. So I'd like if you guys click on this, subscribe on this channel. They're really fun channel to be on. I don't know what you're waiting for, just click on the subscribe button right now. So what should I start with? Why you lose your hairline, or causes of you losing your hairline. Number one reason why you lose your hairline is having a bad barber. Like, the barber is not too good, he doesn't know how to carve or shave or shape that part of your hair. Like, it's taking it to back instead of being putting it, like, you know what I mean. The barber, you really have a bad barber, so you have to work on that. You might try out some other barbers and you might see other bad barbers, but if you keep on trying, it gets to a stage that you will see a perfect barber that knows how your hair works, and it's going to really help you a lot. And please learn how to talk to your barber. Tell your barber what you want. Tell him if you want your hair to grow much or not, like it should shape here or not, it should leave here, you should not trim it. Just tell your barber what you want, okay? Don't feel afraid. Like, I've noticed when I was still younger, I was always scared to tell the barber what I want to my hair, and it ended up doing it the way I don't like it. But now I can't just allow it. If it's trying to go to a part I don't want, I have to wave my hand or shake my head. I love my hair. I like my hair a lot. Okay, the second reason why you're losing your front hairline is you're going to the salon a lot, like shaping your hair a lot. They keep on taking inside when they're shaping it. It's advisable to at least go to the salon every two weeks, but shaping your hair more than like 2 or 3 times in a week because you want to still look dope or fresh, I don't go with that. 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, or if your hair grows really fast and gets rough really fast like mine, you can do it every 1 week. Okay, so now that's what causes you to lose your front hairline. Here is what are the things you need to do to get back your hairline. So I'm very sure that the purpose of this for you guys watching this video. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on this channel right now. Yeah. Okay, you have lost your hairline, you want to get a perfect hairline like mine, even though it's not perfect though, but you want to get a hairline like that, not going inside like you have bad hair. All you need to do is drink a lot of water, be hydrated. It helps make your hair grow. Like, drinking a lot of water helps in your hair growth. Just like drinking a lot of water helps in your hair growth. I drink a lot of water and I notice it helps my hair growth. Sleeping a lot, it helps your hair have time to regenerate. Just drink a lot of water. I don't know the scientific explanation for this purpose, but it works for me. Drink a lot of water, sleep a lot, take more of protein, and it's just like you kind of growing a beard. If you're kind of growing a beard, you have to drink a lot of water and sleep a lot. So if you're trying to grow your hairline, drink a lot of water, sleep a lot. And the best way to grow your hairline, and this is the only method to grow your hairline, and without this method you can't grow your hairline. This is it. Leave your hair to grow. Leaving your hair to grow. Like, I had a friend, his barber he had a really bad barber. His barber made him lose a lot of his front hairline. He just had to leave it for about 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. to make it grow back. It didn't go to the salon. I also did that once, but I didn't have that problem, but I just felt like doing it, leaving my hair for 3 to 2 months without going to the salon. Okay, it really bad not going to the salon. You look like a werewolf. That's why I'm always, when my hair is always full, I'm always with my hoodie or your cap. Cap helps a lot in a lot of ways. You just have to cover your hair. Now my hair is going to look messy since I wore this cap. I know it's looking messy right now, but you just to look cool, like you want to go out and you still want to grow your hairline, just put on your cap, or anywhere you're going to put on your cap. I have to quickly wrap up this video. My mom's calling me. So leave your hair to grow. That's the big secret about this. Leaving your hair to grow for about 2 to 3 months. Don't visit the salon. Your hair is going to grow back. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I really need that a lot. Bonus tip: you can use hair cream to do that. I use castor oil for my hair. Wait, let me get it so you guys can see. So yeah, this is castor oil. This is a product I use most time for my hair. Not always. I don't use that frequently, like a lot. That's why it's still. Well, you can use it. You can get it. It helps to grow your hair and also works for beard. I'm going to be making a video about that. I didn't try it for beard, just for my hair. I don't want beard right now. I love my face like this. You can use castor oil to grow back your hairline or other beard oil or hair oil to grow your hair fast. Big secret: always leave your hair on and always put on your cap. Yeah, always put on your cap to cover your messy hair. I did that a lot. There's a video I did recently, in fact about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I did a video with my cap on. Most of the video I did with my cap on. I just like had to use it to cover my hair because my hair was really bad. That's my reason for wearing cap during those videos, because I was leaving my hair to grow. And if you notice, my last video my hair wasn't as much as this. Castor oil really helps a lot. I'm drinking a lot of water and have a night, like, and sleep a lot. Like, I don't mean sleep a lot, but you just have to sleep. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks a lot. The boy Abdul.